Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roxy Sampalo and this is my first video and practice screencast for the Technology and Digital Literacy course. I thought for this first video I would tell you guys a little about me. I am 19 years old and this is my second year attending the University of Laverne. In my future, I see myself as a kindergarten teacher because I want to help shape the minds of our future. I'm a very family-oriented person, and they are very important to me. I have 4 brothers named Ronnie, Randon, Dean, and Vinny, and I am actually the oldest out of all of them. My dogs are also very important to me as well. I have 2 dogs named Kobe and Magic. They are special to me because I feel like I've grown up with them and I try to spend as much time with them as I can. When I have some free time to be by myself, my favorite thing to do is to watch Netflix. Some of my favorite shows that I highly recommend watching include Shameless, The Vampire Diaries, and The Office. So that was my first video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you on the next assignment.